NPM 24-22-11010.
Dikenalkan nama saya Nuri Fatika Salsabila dengan NPM 2422111004.
Kami ingin mengerjakan tugas bahasa Inggris berbentuk dialog. What can I use to make a website for my side business?
I will use either Blogger format or the price.
Which one is better?
It depends whether you are making a simple sheet or a complex sheet.
Most likely. I'm making simple site, nothing fancy. Begin with at last.
Then I will use Blogger.
Which one is cheaper?
Both of them are free but one is more expensive.
Well, I'm not sure. Whether or not I will need to add things. So I go to WordPress then.
Yes, if you are not sure whether you will add or not, I get it or the rest.
Okay, I go with WordPress then.